Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a keto low carb ALDI haul. I am so excited because they had the keto bread in stock and they had their new little buns and I'm so freaking excited. So it's been a good 2 months since I've had keto bread. The only a disclaimer I'm going to say in this is that I've lost 100 pounds doing keto the way I see fit and what works for me and doing it my way. So do what works for you. Don't judge anybody else on what they're doing, but I want to share what I eat and the foods that I eat and what I make and what I buy, because if it helped me lose 100 pounds, maybe it may help one other person lose 5 pounds, okay? So definitely do keto, low carb, any way of eating, any lifestyle, the way you see fit and what works for you that will keep it sustainable. To me, this is not just a 2-year thing. This is a lifetime lifestyle way of eating for me. I will never go back to the standard American diet. I absolutely love eating keto, low carb, whatever you want to call it. I'm mainly keto because I eat 20 grams of carbs or less every single day, and I have loved it. I started January 6th of 2020, so it's been over a year, almost a year and a half, and I have loved every step of the way and lost 100 pounds. So let's get started. I want to show you all the macros or the ingredients on the back of each package, because when you shop at ALDI, it is kind of tricky. So I hope this helps somebody out there. So we always stock up on the bread. We do Instacart. We don't go in store. So I cannot wait till we go in store. But we always stock up because we just put it in the freezer, because sometimes even before they were redoing their bread and it wasn't available, sometimes it would just be sold out. Okay, so anyway, we get the wheat kind. They also have one that's like seeded. I don't mind either or, but George definitely prefers the wheat. So these are the macros: 40 calories per slice. If you are just low carb, I believe there's a bread called 367 or 357. And that's pretty good for low carb, but I believe it is higher in carbs for keto. But if you're low carb, I think that might work for you. But anyways, 40 calories per slice, 0 net carbs. I know a lot of people lately have been counting just regular carbohydrates. I count net carbs. It's just what I do, and it works for me. So, oh, and then these are the ingredients, if you are wondering. So got 4 of them. Excited. Got these cute little buns. They are so cute, and I'm telling you, if you want Chick-fil-A, you can take their bun off and slap this little bun on, and I'm telling you, it's might as well. But I have to say, I haven't really missed buns. I'm just excited to try these and see how good they are, since I love their regular bread. But usually when we make hamburgers, hot dogs, we just eat it without the bread. I don't miss it. That's the best part, is I don't really miss the bun, but I'm excited to try these. So anyway, 60 calories for one, but you have to watch out because it is 19 grams of fiber. But then again, same thing here. This would be 18 grams if you use 2 slices, but you just want to make sure you're not eating a ton of these. Just obviously keep track of your macros and what you're eating. But anyway, 2 grams of carbs for one. So I am super, super excited for that. And then we have the low carb. These are so good. These are better than, honestly, the Mission ones. I really enjoy these a lot. So that's what that looks like. I make quesadillas with these. George will make wraps with them, with lunch meat. He'll even just spread peanut butter on them. The world is your oyster. You can do so much. You can make little pizzas, which I haven't done yet, and it's been on my list of things to try with these, but that is that. And a lot of ingredients. George loves these. I eat them, but I don't really snack a lot, so I don't really ever get a chance, because he'll eat them before I even get a chance to get there. So, I'm in a deficit, whereas he's in maintenance. So that is that. And those are the ingredients. Obviously, pause the video if you need to read it. So 100 calories of these cashews. I love the salt and pepper. They are higher in carbs, so I don't eat these often, but I get in the mood for these, and I make sure to eat them when I'm already in a very, very low carb day already. So especially if you're eating things that have 0 carbs, you can totally have these. As far as nuts go for keto, mainly macadamia nuts and walnuts are going to be your the lowest calorie nuts. Regular peanuts is considered a legume, so they're really not good for, it's not a nut. So just letting you know. Okay. We got some bacon bits. I haven't had these in a while, but I used to like putting these in my like scrambled eggs, or just sprinkling them over like regular sunny side eggs or whatever. Like you can put these in, like when I would make jalapeno popper dip, I would sprinkle this inside. You can put these on your salad. You can do so many things with these. So I just wanted to have some on hand because it's been a while and I'm kind of in the mood. So George got him some cheese. He got some of like this Miracle Whipped knockoff stuff. Basically, he doesn't like mayo. I don't know why, but that's what he got because he wants to make some tuna fish sandwiches, which I'm really in the mood for. I haven't had tuna fish in a while. Got some spicy brown mustard, everything but the bagel seasoning. Love this stuff. I put this on my eggs. It's just so good. Some cream cheese, sour cream for my quesadillas, some jalapenos for my quesadillas, and I put these on my salads as well. Got some knockoff Red Bull. Gotta enjoy it. There are 15 calories, 1 carb, and that's the ingredients there. I really enjoy them on the weekends a lot. Oh, I don't think I showed you these. So you can weigh these or you can just measure it out in a tablespoon, you know. And then, I mean, the sour cream is pretty like straightforward. It's kind of like the same thing on all of them. Got some eggs. This is like the most eggs that I have gotten in like 6 months. I usually at least get 2 or even sometimes just 1, but this month I plan on eating a lot of eggs because I'm really in the mood for eggs. I go into spurts of things. Like 1 week I'll eat nothing but eggs for lunch, 1 week I'll eat nothing but quesadillas, or sometimes I switch it up, sandwiches, sometimes I'll eat salad for lunch. Like I just go through my spurts, and right now I'm really in the mood for eggs and I have none. Got some of this habanero jack cheese. I feel like we might have had this maybe from another brand. I don't know if I've had it from ALDI, but I just like spicy things, so I'm really excited for that. You can put these on your sandwiches or just have a snack, but that is the macros there. Got some crab cakes. If you have never tried these crab cakes, you need to. These are so good and they're pretty inexpensive, and I'm telling you, these taste like restaurant quality crab cakes. They are so good. We have these almost, I would say, once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. They are just so delish. Got some broccoli. We definitely got a lot more than what I'm showing you, but I didn't feel like taking it all out. Got some of this flounder. This is really, really, really good. That's what the macros are on there. But love that. Got some shredded lettuce for my sandwiches because something about shredded lettuce on your sandwiches is just so good, and I'm just so excited to have keto bread. Got some of the romaine hearts. I did do a video on Instagram showing you how I cut this up, and it just stays fresh for so long. So I'll try to tag that video below, but super great. Got 3 packs of that. Got a seedless cucumber for my salads, and I got some celery. So that is everything that I got today from ALDI. I am super excited, and I will definitely let you know about the buns. If you've tried the buns, definitely let me know what your thoughts are below. What are your favorite things to buy at ALDI's? Because if I'm missing something, I need to know about it. So let me know what you guys love to buy at ALDI's. And if you do ALDI's or grocery hauls for keto or low carb, definitely let me know below and I will definitely check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will continue to be doing more. And I definitely do have another keto low carb haul video coming up as well from Giant food store or grocery store, whatever you call it. But from Giant, I will have that up as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all soon. Bye.